ghost bird and he wears panties. He's a chicken and he's always late. He's guilty, he just doesn't remember. I think he wants a dismissal.
It's the ghost bird. It's the ghost bird. It's the ghost bird. It's the ghost bird.
Speed up the motorbike, you late, you're free. He saw the little apple and he felt sick. I don't know, that hairy ass wants a dick. He's all stiff, he looks like a fool. She saw the shadow, she leaned against it. Idiot, get ready for war. He sucked Betinho's dick in the car. Nay, 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 nay. He knocked the others down, he messed up on the job. Nothing can take it, this is my mob. Do it right, you incompetent without crime. If you're not paying attention, it's jail time. He knocked the others down, he messed up on the job. Nothing can take it, this is my mob. Do it right, you incompetent without crime. If you're not paying attention, it's jail time. Ghost bird and he wears panties. He's a chicken and he's always late. He's guilty, he just doesn't remember. I think he wants a dismissal.
It's a ghost bird. It's a ghost bird. It's the ghost bird.
Oh, it's the ghost bird and he wears panties. He's a chicken and he's always late. He's guilty, he just doesn't remember. I think he wants a dismissal.
It's the ghost bird. It's the ghost bird. It's the ghost bird.
Just look at the motorbike, conquer it too, but don't be envious, it's for your own good. He's broken, wants to spend his money on a Civic. He's asking for a joke, he's asking for a kick. Thanks, money fall from the sky. Wake up, wanna be an Uber driver, better become a rent boy. Tried to screw everyone over, can't handle a fight. Nay, nay, nay. He knocked the others down, he messed up on the job. Nothing can take it, this is my mob. Do it right, you incompetent without crime. If you're not paying attention, it's jail time. He knocked the others down, he messed up on the job. Nothing can take it, this is my mob. Do it right, you incompetent without crime. If you're not paying attention, it's jail time. He's a ghost bird and he wears panties. He's a chicken and he's always late. He's guilty, he just doesn't